Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your OPPO Reno8 Lite. So in order to fix this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and actually let's try finding Call of Duty now. So as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for, and in order to fix this, let's go back. Here click on our profile icon, move to the settings, then family, here's parental controls, and there's two ways we can fix that right here. First, disable parental controls right like this, enter your PIN code and then select OK. The second way to fix this is to go to apps and games, enter your PIN code, click OK, and here you'll need to increase PG to at least 16 or any higher. Click Save. Now if we go back and search for the game again, we can see it right here and it's available for installation. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.